Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you what you can do with a hairbrush and when you got a lot of hair. Fortunately, I still have hair, and so you can do a couple of things. One, let's go back to the 80s right here. That's right, this is a hairstyle I used to have back in the 80s right here. Right down there. Yeah, right there. They used to call that the feather cut back in the day. Yeah, so that's how, for decades, this is how I basically got my hair cut and whatnot. All right, so since now I'm being more professional, this is what I would call the business haircut. You know, like you look at the films from the 50s and 60s, you look at somebody going to work. So basically you just part your hair kind of like this. And this is that business haircut style going on, so whatnot. So that's the business haircut style. And of course, if you want to, you can part it the other side if you want to as well. So you kind of have, depends on which part looks better for you. So that works like that. And then of course, if you're a big Three Stooges fan, this is kind of the Mo cut. So this is the if you like the Three Stooges, this is how Mo had his hair combed down and whatnot like that. So basically with a comb, and if you still got hair, like I do fortunately, you can do a lot of cool stuff with a hairbrush and your hair. As always, rock and roll, of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel because that would totally compute. Computed, yeah. So you just do it just like that.